Hi YouTube, just another unboxing for you. This time I am unboxing another watch for my little watch collection, and I have purchased myself my first dive watch, and this is a Russian dive watch. If you're familiar with watches and the watch industry or the watch world, or you collect watches yourself, you can put the two together. If you say Russia, you say dive watches. One of the biggest companies, or the main companies, that'll come to people's mind is a company called Vostok, and I just thought I'd share the unboxing with you guys. Now this package has come all the way from Russia. I had to order it from a Russian. Let's come all the way to the UK. I'll put some links on the description which explains why Vostok is a interesting company. As an engineer, I appreciate good engineering solutions, and especially if you can come up with an engineering solution that doesn't cost the earth. So what Vostok did different compared to other dive watches is that they've used the pressure to actually improve the water resistance of the watch. So basically, as you dive deeper, as you go deeper into the water pressure builds up, and that is what normally that destroys the watches, because water gets in, the crystal pops off and all that. What Vostok did was they engineered the watch in such a way that when the pressure increases, it actually seals the watch better, and it prevents water ingressing into the case. I'm sure someone out there appreciates that. I certainly do. Am I going to be diving with this watch? No. To be honest, at most maybe it might experience a rainy day. To be honest, I can't even swim. I like watches though, so I got myself a little watch. Right, enough babbling. I'll just get on with the unboxing. I'm sure I could have ripped that off, but nothing else inside that. Now I have, as you can see, I have not opened this before, so this I'm hoping it has survived the transit. I would be very upset if I open and find out that the case or something is broken. Ooh, at least YouTube might find it funny. I won't. Anyway, let's just get on with the unboxing. He has kindly used bubble wrap. It doesn't seem like enough bubble wrap to me, but anyway, as long as the watch is safe. That's the box. It's a plastic box, quite a compact little box. Nothing on the underside. On the front you see sort of like a little gold little paint on the box, and it says on there Vostok, which apparently means east, E-A-S-T. Oh, right, let's just zoom in a bit. Right, you've got to press it a bit there by that indent to actually open the box. We have some paperwork there which Yeah, it says B. Vostok. I don't know if B is V in Russian. I have no idea. But anyway. This is an automatic watch, and it's hand wound, so I don't think you have to hand wind the watch for it to work. I don't think it basically powers itself as you move it, because I don't think it has an oscillating rotor in it. Go on, something in English. Nope, nothing in English there for us. Let's look at the other piece of paper. So website there, vostokwatches.ru. Oh yes, fantastic. We've got some instructions and a little diagram. Now I've heard this has got quite a unique way of changing the date and whatnot, but it's a quirk which I'm happy to put up with. Anyway, enough of that. That's all the paperwork you get. Another piece of bubble wrap in there. The watch does not look damaged. Sorry, I was just trying to see it under the light. The watch does not look damaged, so I'm really pleased about that. Take it out of the box. So I'll just take that bit of plastic. Should put that back in its box. Close that box. Gorgeous. Sorry, I just had a little peek at the watch. Now, where do we start? Firstly, that looks like a nice quality bracelet. The bracelet's completely wrapped in like a protection coat, so I'll have to take that out, which I will do later. The clasp is one of these style where I just come on. This happened in my last video as well. I could never open the bloody thing. There you go. So that's like a little catch there. You open that up, and then there is another. Right, I'm not going to. You know how it works. So this is like a little latch, and then you pull it open again from there. It's just a bit tight because they squeeze a bit of paper in between, so that it won't get scratched. So you've got the little the Vostok logo there. Nice bracelet. Now this is the, I don't know if you can see it. This is the amphibian. It's the amphibian or the amphibia, but I don't know if you can make out. It is actually everything in Russian on the back. So I thought they wrote amphibian in English, but it clearly isn't. And if you look from the back, it looks like it's a square case. This is called the ministry case. But I'm sort of like trying to save the best for last, and how to say that actually is the dial. Now I don't know if you can see there. It's sort of blue in the top half, the green in the bottom half. I love blue, I love green. A watch that has them both obviously was going to be a winner. As you can see, there's a date display there as well. It seems to have a bit of charge as the needle is running. You can see the sweeping action there. Do you know, I really don't feel like taking this cover out because I want to leave that to myself. But if you, as you can see, it's I was told it's an acrylic case. Also, it's quite a thick case. I don't know if you can see it there. That is a chunky case. Well, chunky-ish case. But if you look at the dome, it's quite a thick dome as well. The crown is quite big, which is a screw-down crown. You have a bezel here, which rotates. Also, it rotates both ways, which, to be honest, I must say I do not understand how that works in a dive watch. But anyway, and you don't have any loom as well on the bezel, which sort of just boggles me. But I guess I can put my own loom if I want to. I'll have to charge it under a light or something for a bit. Let's see if that made any difference. No, but there are sort of loom dots all around, and you have loom on the minute and hour markers, and on the second hand you can see a loom there. Now, I wish I knew what the model number was. I really couldn't tell you. It feels like a quality watch, well made. Size comparisons, I can't unfortunately show you anything to compare it with. I guess I can put it on my wrist, give you a rough idea. How long have I gone for? 11 minutes. I do apologize for babbling on sometimes, but what you need to know is I get carried away because this is the first time. A nice reassuring click. So that's what it looks like in my hand. It's a bit bigger than my last limited edition watch, the blue one. Check out that unboxing. But there it is, my first Vostok watch, my first dive watch. Right, I think what I'll do, I'll go for it. I'll take that little sticker off because I love you guys. So it's not like a domed crystal. Sorry, not like a domed crystal. So just some crystal has like a magnifying glass effect. This one seems to have a bit where it's not. I wouldn't say that is the case. I don't know if you can see all it says. Says bits in Russian on the dial. And if you can see the blue and the green. Oh. Right, you can only show it so many angles. That's a screw down crown. So you open the crown. I hope that has been helpful to someone. Anyway, that was my Vostok watch. I'm gonna stop now. I go on way too long for these stupid videos.